Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacy with Blondie in Mexico, and today we are at Marengo and we are going to check out what it's like to buy a pre-built, new build home here in Mazatlan, Mexico. So come on, let's go take a look. All right guys, so this is gonna be the front entrance. It's gonna be a 24-hour guard gated community. So this will be where the guard gate is, and the amenities are gonna be over here in this open lot. And there is going to be volleyball courts, basketball courts. There's gonna be a 120 square meter pool. We're also going to have a playground. There's going to be a 2-story clubhouse over here, and there's going to be an area for events that's going to have a garden for you to do events in. If you could see over here, this is Sam's Club. So you can see we're really close to Sam's Club, and over here, this is the Galleria's mall. So it's in a good location. You buy all the shopping. And this area will be done in about 14 months. And then alongside the row of Sam's Club, there will be a row of houses that you can enter that will have easy access to all the amenities over here. So come on, let's go check out one of the houses. All right guys, we're gonna enter into this new build house. This is going to be a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and it's gonna have a 3-car carport. You can see right here, you got a pretty good size cistern to hold your water. And this is going to be a brick build house. And you can see it has really thick walls. So that's gonna help a lot with sound. Okay, so when you come in here, you can notice that there's really high ceilings in here. So it really feels really roomy in here. This right here will be the living room, and there's going to be a bar area put in here. And then a half bath is gonna go right here. They have huge windows, so you're gonna have a lot of natural light coming in here. We got some storage over here. And here we have the kitchen, and it's gonna have an island in the kitchen. Let's zoom out a little. An island in the kitchen with granite. And then over here is gonna be the laundry room. And then this is going to be 2 huge windows that open up, that have 3 panels that open up. You've got your outside area, more big windows for extra light, and this is a pretty neat feature. Right here, this tube goes around throughout the whole house, and what you could do is you could have a exterminator come in, and what they do is put the termite poison in that tube over here, and it protects the whole house from termites. So it's a built-in termite protection. Now we're gonna go upstairs and check out the bedrooms. You can notice there's nice wide stairs here, and they're all gonna be lit. You can see these little outlets for lights. They're gonna be marble stairs, and you can see they're gonna be very well lit stairs with this really pretty window. So let's check out the bedrooms. All right guys, so now we're upstairs, and you could see that there's tons of skylights up here for so much natural lighting. And this is going to be like a little sitting room over here. And this is gonna be the primary bedroom. So there's gonna be some more closets over here. You can see the super high ceilings. I'm gonna come over here and check out this. More skylights. This is gonna be a walk-in closet area. And then over here is gonna be the bathroom, where it's gonna have 2 sinks, some more good lighting in here. This is gonna be the toilet area, and the shower area is gonna have 2 shower heads in here. So it's a pretty nice master bedroom in here. So the closets are included, the cupboards in the kitchen are included, mini splits are included. It is all wired. If you want to turn this into a smart home, it's all wired and ready for that. We're gonna have a nice patio out here, and you're gonna have a view of the amenities, the pool and the basketball court, and all that's gonna be right out there. And then they have some potted areas to put your plants. And it's hooked up and ready over here if you want to put a hot tub over here, or even if you just need a hose to water your plants. But you're gonna get a nice patio. And this is a little bit of the grounds area. You can see Sam's Club over there. You can see the Gallerias right there. So it's right past the Gallerias, right past Sam's Club. Let's go check out the other two bathrooms, or bedrooms. Okay, let's check out bedroom number 2. It's gonna have its own bathroom. So an in-suite bathroom. Once again, high ceilings. This is gonna be a sliding glass door out to a patio. Look at that view that you're gonna have. And then this is bedroom number 3, which you can see here is gonna have sliding glass doors as well. They're gonna have the built-in closets and its own bathroom as well. So every bedroom, all 3 bedrooms have their own bathroom, which is really a nice feature. So the one that we looked at is gonna be done in about 12 months. The pool's gonna be done in about 14, and then the rest of this, you said 18 months for the rest of the amenities. And then we go from there, like 24 months for these to be done. So that's approximately when everything will be ready. Okay, so this was the one that we were in here. You can see the 3-car carport and the balconies up there. And this is the first level, where the kitchen with the island and the granite countertops, the laundry room and everything. And then the bedrooms upstairs that we talked about. So I'm turned around here. Here's the primary bedroom right here. So, and then the little sitting area that we talked about. So that's pretty much what it's gonna look like when it's all done. All right, guys, that's a wrap, and I hope you enjoyed checking out a new model home here in Mazatlan, Mexico. Till next time.